Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. So today's video, guys, is a cozy decorate with me. I'm going to take my beautiful blush pink guest bedroom and give it all the cozy feels. Now, a lot of you recently reached out to me and said, Chelle, bring back the blush pink. So today's video is dedicated entirely to that beautiful colour. Now guys, it is winter time here in Australia, so in August I usually bring out my pumpkins and all my chunky throws, and I decorate super cozy right through to Halloween. So I hope you get lots of inspiration from this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up at the end, and I'd really appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and I hope you're all having a wonderful day.
Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it. We've earned it.
So guys, this is my blush pink guest bedroom. It pretty much looks like this all year round, but I just add different touches for each of the seasons. So today's video is going to be decorating this room super cozy for fall and Halloween with a blush pink touch.
Fragrance goes to my head, my darling. I get everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it. All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it.
Now my inspiration for this room, guys, was this beautiful chunky knit pillowcase that I recently picked up from Spotlight.
Stay off track and under attack, so we've earned it.
Now it actually comes in a pack of 2, but it's not actually 2 chunky knit cushion covers. I'm not going to use the other cushion cover, I'm just going to add the chunky knit. So I'm going to take an insert from another pillow and use that.
Now everything that has been don't matter no more. We've earned it.
Now I love using the feathered inserts, guys, mainly because I can do the karate chop on the cushion, but I really love how fluffy and big they make the cushion look, and I think it's going to go perfect in my blush pink guest bedroom.
All those whirlwinds can't touch us no more. We've earned it.
Now I'm pretty much keeping the entire bedding the same, guys. I'm just going to take away this little breakfast cushion and add the chunky knit cushion.
You were the top that eclipsed the room.
I'm then going to add to either side these beautiful knitted pumpkins.
But no one would ever bet against us. If they saw us exchanging glances, I was too busy to fall in love. You were too busy to break my heart. Nobody else was there to stop.
Now at the end of my bed, I bought in my beautiful blush pink leopard print throw that I got from Amazon last year. I really love this throw, guys. I love anything leopard print, especially if it's blush pink.
Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up?
I'm then going to add this beautiful mauve wreath, and in the middle of the wreath I'm going to add this absolutely stunning blush pink and gold pumpkin that I got from TK Maxx last year.
Something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song. Too busy watching the TV.
Now in the corner of my room I have this beautiful white mirror, and I'm going to add this beautiful blush pink pumpkin sign to the middle.
Cash in too many empty favors, yeah. Now we go on and on.
Now on my nightstands, guys, I'm going to leave everything the same, but I'm going to add a pumpkin.
Do you still remember when our hearts tuned up spontaneously? On and on like a marathon, we keep
Now on the opposite nightstand I'm going to add this beautiful blush pink pumpkin candle. Guys, this smells absolutely delicious. I had this burning for a little while I was filming, and the room smelled like a cookie. It is so beautiful. Now guys, I recently picked up from Temu this beautiful leaf garland. I absolutely love the colour of this, and I'm just going to drape it across the top of the bed head.
now we go on and on with this poor love song.
Now at the door of the room I have this little blush pink ottoman, guys, and I'm going to add this 3-tiered pumpkin that I got from TK Maxx last year.
On and on like a marathon, we keep running from fighting for something to remind us that we're better than this poor love song.
Now to add a final cozy touch, I'm going to use my battery operated cozy flickering lights. I get these from Amazon, guys, and I'm just going to place them through the garland.
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows.
Guys, there are two things in this world I absolutely love, and that is the colour blush pink as well as decorating for pumpkin season. I love all things cozy, guys, but I love being non-traditional and going for a beautiful blush pink when it comes to my decorating cozy.
And I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
As my overseas friends prepare for the fall season, I'm here in wintertime here in Australia, and I'm enjoying all the cozy vibes in my home.
We've been through it all. 'Cause you're the one who understands. 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 You're the
Guys, leave me a comment down below if you absolutely love the colour Blush Pink.
And I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands.
You're like a ghost in my mind. I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go. 'Cause you're like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home.
Be on repeat. The scenes just go on.
I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decorating. I love DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and sharing home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you and it breaks my heart. You're still here though we're apart. Don't
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you for decorating cozy in blush pink.
Don't tell me
I'd really appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up, guys. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. So have a wonderful week, guys. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.